Are you ready to uncover the secrets to keto success that no one talks about? In today's video, I'm revealing the 4 must-know steps that have helped hundreds of women achieve fantastic results on their ketogenic diet. And if you stick around until the end, you'll discover the game-changing mindset hack that can make or break your keto journey. Hi, my name is Lesya. I'm a clean keto and carb cycling nutritionist for professional women. Today I'm sharing my 4-step system to success on keto as a woman. Let's get right into it. Step 1 is to personalize your keto food plan. No more generic, one-size-fits-all diets. To succeed on keto, you need to personalize your food plan. If what you eat isn't personalized to your body, your health situation, goals, and lifestyle, it will be A, hard to stick to, B, impossible to see and maintain results, and C, dreadful and restrictive. Personalizing your food plan on keto means figuring out what exactly you want to eat, how many carbs your body can tolerate while still using fat for fuel, and what type of keto foods your body does well with versus the ones that cause inflammation and weight loss stalls. It's also important to know how to read labels, grocery shop, meal prep, calculate your macros, and portion out your food. These skills are essential for staying on track with your keto lifestyle. Most women start keto and follow the generic 20 grams of net carbs approach. They limit their protein, overdo it on their fat, and wonder why they aren't getting results and just keep running to the bathroom. That is not what a personalized keto food plan looks like. To make a personalized keto plan, you need to first assess where you're at right now and work on making small changes to get to your goals. Remember, making small changes to reach your goals is key. This allows you to create a keto plan that is tailored to you. Step number 2 is to remove any health blocks. Once you've personalized your keto food plan and you know what to eat and how many carbs your body can handle, the next step is to remove any health blocks that you might have. Having health blocks will make it difficult for you to lose weight and keep it off on keto, no matter how personalized your food plan is. Most women have at least one health block, but they aren't aware of it. You might be experiencing symptoms of a health block, but because you're so used to said symptoms, you think it's normal and that there's nothing wrong. But there is something wrong. Symptoms are your body's way of communicating with you. Your body is setting off an alarm, trying to get your attention, and ignoring it will only elongate your weight loss. Health blocks like hormonal issues, gut imbalances, stress, sleep problems, and detoxification issues can secretly sabotage your weight loss journey on keto. And I need to point out, just because you don't know you have a health block doesn't mean it's not there. Like I said before, these health blocks like to hide under symptoms such as weight gain, weight loss resistance, bloating, fatigue, IBS, gas, depression, anxiety, and poor sleep, just to name a few. I've worked with many clients who weren't aware of their health blocks until they joined my keto program for women and went through this step. Once they uncovered and addressed it, weight loss became effortless, and they finally felt like their bodies were working with them, not against them. And hey, if you're getting value out of this video so far, consider subscribing to the channel and turning on notifications for new content alerts. All right, let's move on. Step 3 is to manage your mind. This step is so important, so pay attention. Once you personalize your food plan and removed any health blocks that are interfering with weight loss, it's time to manage that mental drama. We all like to pretend like we don't have any mental drama, but we all do. As a human being living in the 20th century, mental drama is part of the package. Most women are oblivious to this, and they spend years yo-yo dieting, restricting then binging, and living with the all-or-nothing diet mentality, wondering why they can't have more willpower or motivation to stick to it. Willpower and motivation have nothing to do with how your brain works on a subconscious level, sister. See, you've developed habits, and your brain simply repeats these habits to conserve energy. After coaching hundreds of women, this by far is the biggest roadblock I see them face, themselves. Now, here's the game-changing mindset hack that I promised earlier. The truth is, mental drama can sabotage your efforts on keto. Stress eating, emotional eating, or self-sabotaging behaviors, they sound familiar, right? The good news is you can reprogram your brain to break free from these habits. These habits are subconscious. And your subconscious habits are like the root of a tree. You don't see them, but they are deeply ingrained inside your brain. They are simply habits that the oldest part of your brain, the reptilian brain back here, stores and keeps on autopilot because you've repeated these behaviors so many times. This is why we spend a whole module inside my keto program reprogramming your brain for long-term weight loss through powerful exercises and coaching. We address how to end cravings, late night overeating, emotional eating, binging, staying on track on weekends, and change your limiting beliefs. We also get to the root causes of self-sabotaging behaviors and provide strategies to overcome them for good. Step 4 is to create your sustainable lifestyle. Last but not least, we have to create a sustainable lifestyle for you long term. The problem with most keto weight loss programs is that they teach you how to lose weight on keto, but they don't teach you how to maintain it in a way that aligns with your desired lifestyle. What if you don't want to do keto forever? What if you go on a trip, want to enjoy the holidays, go out to eat? What if you don't want to count calories and track macros when you're 90 years old? The only way weight loss can be sustainable on keto is if your plan fits in with your desired lifestyle. Most women treat keto like a diet, thinking that they're going to lose the weight they want and then go back to their normal way of eating. They struggle with staying consistent with keto and making it a long-term sustainable lifestyle. It's important to consider this before you even start keto. The key to sustainable weight loss is making it work for life. Inside my keto program, I teach you how to maintain the weight you lost, introduce you to clean keto carb cycling for a flexible way of eating, teach you how to break any stalls, and enjoy holidays and dining out without derailing your progress. We also cover how to incorporate cheat days without gaining weight and help you think long term to maintain your results. If the program you choose isn't addressing maintenance, don't be disappointed when the weight comes back on, because it will. So there you have it, the comprehensive 4 steps for keto success for women. By following these steps, you'll effortlessly lose the weight you want on keto without gaining it back. If you're ready to implement these steps with a nutritionist who has been there and helped hundreds of women just like you get results, I would be honored to be your coach inside my Holistic Clean Keto Weight Loss Program for women. The doors are now open, so you can join today and get started with these steps right away. Check out the link in the description to learn more and join today. I'll see you inside.